What's going on YouTube? How you guys doing today? So today I'm here to unbox and review the Jordan Mars 270 black and orange. Okay, without further ado, let's take a look at these sneakers and let's see what it looks like. And in case you don't have these Jordans yet, they come in a box that looks just like this. Let me give you guys a 360 of these sneakers real quick, all right? Let me show you the bottom. Let me show you the top. All right? Now, guys, the first thing that I notice about these sneakers is the new look of this new Jordans, all right? This is the new look that Jordans has been bringing out now, okay? And I'm talking about a mesh, a combination of different type of Jordans over the years. And I'm talking about the retro 6s, the 4s, the 1s, are all combined together, creating this Jordan 270 Mars, along with the Nike Air Max 270 bubbles, which is placed right at the heels of these sneakers, okay? These bubbles are the Nike Air Max 270 bubbles. They have very good quality, they're durable, and they will last you for a very long time. Now, the entire sneakers is made of leather, very, very strong leather, all right? Very, very strong leather, and I repeat, very strong leather. In my experience with wearing these sneakers, they're very comfortable, they feel good. However, they come very tightly laced, so you have to unlace it first. In case you have wide foot, okay, you need to unlace these sneakers first, lace them according to your own fit, and once you do that, that's what you want to walk around like, okay? All right? As you can see, the tongue got the black Jordan sign there, all right? If you are a student and you're going to class, you can rock these sneakers all year long and it will not get messed up. If you are somebody that works all the time and you're on your feet all the time, you can rock these sneakers and they will not get destroyed easily. I've seen these sneakers go for price between 90 and 170, all right? It just depends where you're at. What store you go to. If you bought it online, maybe they had sales, you could get, I can't even tell you guys what particular price this will be, but most of the time you'll probably catch it between 120 and 160. I recommend it because it's not gonna get destroyed easily. They're built strong, they feel good, and they're Jordans. And for the price you're gonna get these for, they probably won't be that bad, all right? And these sneakers right here, I give it a 9 out of 10, all right? I'm giving these sneakers right here a 9 out of 10. I love the color. I love the design. I give it 9 out of 10, okay? I've now come to the end of my video, guys. Thank you for watching my video. If you're new to this channel, please click that subscribe button. Please click that like button. Feel free to make a comment. And if you're not new to this channel, please click that like button. Click that share button. Come back again and feel free to make a comment. Once again, thank you for watching my video. And until next time, just maybe, I might see you with these on. Maybe I might not. Who knows? One easy.